Hello and welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to share with you what was the biggest problem which I faced in my life while reinventing my own life or recreating my own life from 2016 to 2021. Sometimes we want to go into this direction of our life. We want to have a good job. We want to have a good career. We want to have a good business. We want to have a good relationship. We want to have a good physique. But somehow we land in this direction. You start thinking, nothing has worked according to the plan. I don't have good physique. I don't have good career. My relationship is not good. My business is not doing good. Nothing has happened according to the plan. And one day you wake up and you think, oh, my life sucks. What the fuck? What the fuck I did wrong in my life? I did nothing wrong. But why I landed in this direction when I wanted to go into this direction? So many of us, when we find ourselves in this direction, we start asking this question to ourselves. That why did I get here? How did I get here? For sure, I knew that I didn't want to be here. I wanted to be in this direction. So how and why? Every now and then, we find ourselves we are off track. We are going down the wrong road. And while going into the wrong road, it's pretty easy to blame other people or someone or something for your situation. And if you already know that you are going into the wrong direction, so instead of standing here and blaming other people, just shift your direction. Because if you're here and if you keep blaming other people, you're not going to move from here to here. You will be in the same direction. So don't blame other people. Just work on yourself and shift your direction. We are human. We will be getting off the track. Let's say if you're learning to ride a horse and you fall down. You may fall down once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, but you need to find out a way to sit down properly on the horse. And finally, you will be able to learn it. So we should take the responsibility. If we are off the track, we are the problem. So listen to me. You will be the only problem you will ever have in your life. And you will be the only solution you will ever have in your life. I did realize that for every situation of my life, I'm the problem and I am the only solution of it. Remember, if you're going into the wrong direction, you're always going to be into the problem. So stop for a while and think, are you going into the wrong direction? If your answer is yes, quickly change your direction for good. This is not your problem only that you're getting off track. This is not my problem only. This is everybody's problem. And the biggest problem is that with us, with humans, we have a natural instinct that we hide our failures, We feel shame while explaining our failures. And we only want to project our successes to the other people. There is not even a 1% of the people that goes through life feeling up always. Feeling happy always. It doesn't work like that. Generally, when we go off track, we try to find some mentor in our life that who will help us to be on the right track once again. In fact, nobody else is going to give you the right direction where you want to go. Instead, for looking for the right person, work to make yourself the right person for yourself. And then good people will be attracted towards you. They will be drawn towards you based upon the improvements you have done for yourself. Don't try to project yourself. Don't try to wear a mask and go into the mirror and say that you're perfect. Absolutely not. Nobody is perfect and no one can be. Yes, we can take steps towards the perfection, but we can never be perfect. So we should stop wearing the masks and we should accept the reality that yes, sometimes we will be on the track, sometimes we will be off track. If I talk about me, I can bet on that I have failed more than you have failed in your life. Yes, I have failed many times in the past. I still fail. And in the future, I will fail many times. I know that. And I have accepted this reality. I know that failure is not the end for me. Failure is a new beginning. Once I take the lessons that these are the reasons I have failed, these are the reasons I have been off track, I try to fix those reasons, and I want to go into the right track. The only wrong thing about failing is our ego. We start projecting ourselves that we are the only person who fail. I'm the only person who fail. Other people, they have good physique, they are intelligent, they do not fail. It's not. Everybody fails. And listen, without darkness, we can never see the stars. So once we get off track, we should do only two things in order to get back on the track. Number one, we should review the reason. What was the reason I came out of the track? Number two, embrace that you're not perfect. Embrace your imperfections, that you're never gonna be perfect. If you're getting off the track, in the future also you will be getting off the track, but it's your responsibility to take yourself on the track once again. So in life, what really matters is not how many times you're off track. What really matters is how many times you're going to pick yourself up and you're going to put yourself into the right track. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.